Oh, the camera's on now. Say hello.
Hello.
Hey YouTube. I'm just going to have a look around the camera. This is the caravan. There's Mommy, look. Here's the bathroom. Bedroom. And another bedroom. There's a car. There's Mommy and Jackson. Yeah. Just locking the door. And we're having a walk to the complex. There's some caravans. Take some pictures of the caravan. We're now going to the complex. Jack, you're now on the video, look. Jack, stop doing that with your feet. What's he doing? Did you see what he just did? Let me have a look at the front of him. He just scraped him on the floor. Nice caravans, look. Jack, stop scraping them on the floor. I must apologise. My son is scraping his brand new Crocs on the floor, aren't you?
I'm gonna run.
Say hi on YouTube.
No. Run! That's doing a vlog.
Socks down. Ooh, an electric Mustang. Did you see that then? A full electric 4x4 Mustang. Somebody's got some money. There's your bins.
Hello, birdie.
Look. Here's the car park. And there's the Haven complex. And here we are, entrance. This is the front entrance. Swings. Shop. Play area. What you doing? Hey. No, I'm here.
Daddy's got
Got what?
needs to see.
Can you see? There you go.
Give you 5 hours.